Before you grab your phone and before your thoughts start racing, before the world asks anything of you, take this breath with me. In through your nose, and let it fall away through your mouth. You're in the space between sleep and day. This liminal moment belongs to you. Feel your body against whatever's supporting you, your weight, your warmth, your aliveness. Notice without changing anything how your chest rises and falls. Your heart has been beating all night, keeping you alive while you dreamed. Take a moment to think it. Let your shoulders soften, your jaw unclench, your forehead smooth. You don't have to carry yesterday into today. You can set it down. In this quiet space before the world gets loud, what do you want to remember about yourself today? Maybe it's, I move at my own pace. Maybe it's, I belong here. Maybe it's, I trust my inner wisdom. Let that truth settle into your chest like a warm stone. Imagine drawing a gentle circle of light around this moment, around your intention, around your breath, around your tender morning self. This is your energetic boundary. You get to choose what crosses this line today. Urgency doesn't have to. Comparison doesn't have to. Other people's expectation, they don't have to. You are the guardian of your own energy. When you're ready, and only when you're ready, let your eyes flutter open. Carry this feeling with you, this knowing that you are enough right now, exactly as you are. The day can wait another moment. You set the pace. One breath, one step, one gentle choice at a time. Your soft start. It begins now.